Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix PayPal money pending. If PayPal is holding your money, don't panic. There are several ways to fix the issue and possibly get your funds released faster. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can take to access your money quickly. The first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account and check the transaction that is currently pending. In many cases, PayPal provides a button that says something similar to Get Your Money or requests additional account verification. Clicking that option can start a process where PayPal asks you to confirm your identity or provide extra information about the transaction. One of the main reasons PayPal places money on hold is security. This usually happens with newer accounts, unusually large payments, or transactions that PayPal considers risky. In most situations, the hold can last up to 21 days, but there are ways to reduce the waiting time. Start by making sure your account is completely verified. Confirm your email address if you haven't already done so. You should also connect a bank account or debit card to strengthen your account's credibility. Sometimes PayPal may request identification documents or other details to confirm that you are the actual owner of the account. Completing these steps can improve trust and help speed up the release process. Another important thing you can do is improve your account's security. Updating your password and reviewing your security settings shows PayPal that your account is being actively managed by the rightful owner. This can reduce concerns about suspicious activity. If the payment was related to selling a product or service, make sure you update the transaction information immediately. For physical products, upload valid tracking details and mark the item as shipped. Once the buyer receives the package and the tracking confirms delivery, PayPal may release funds earlier than expected. If you sold a digital product or completed a service, you can mark the order as completed inside your PayPal dashboard. In some situations, the buyer may also have the option to confirm receipt, which can help unlock the money faster. If you've tried everything and your funds are still on hold, contact PayPal support through the Help or Contact section. Reach out via live chat, phone, or messaging and provide your transaction details for faster assistance. Keep in mind that sometimes these holds are simply part of PayPal's fraud prevention system. While it can be frustrating, the platform uses these temporary restrictions to protect both buyers and sellers from scams or unauthorized activity. In some cases, patience may be the only option. If there are no problems with your account or transaction, the hold will typically be removed automatically after the review period ends. Hopefully, these tips help you regain access to your PayPal funds faster. If this video helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tutorials and online payment tips.